One of my friends asked me this question recently. He said, Leader, I finally saved 1 million naira. Should I buy land with it or invest in mutual funds or buy Nigeria stock? And I told him, sir, there isn't one perfect answer for it because each of these investments has its strength and weakness. So let's now compare the three options using the same 1 million naira. And the first one is Nigeria stock. Okay, let's say that you invest 1 million naira in stock market. If the companies you invested in perform well, then your 1 million naira could grow significantly over the years. You might even earn dividends. But if that same stock market reduce or drop by 20% or 30%, your 1 million naira could reduce drastically to 800,000 naira or 700,000 naira. And if you now panic and resell it, that means you are now locked in a loss. And the second option is mutual funds. You now decided to invest in mutual funds. Your money is now managed by professionals and risk is now spread across investment portfolios. So let's now say that, and remember that Nigeria has experienced inflation over years. In fact, the value of naira has expressed periodic depreciation. Let's now say that 1 million naira that invested in mutual funds now increased by 50%, but the prices around that area keeps rising. That means the purchasing power of that money will not be able to hold or buy something that would have been bought now. Now let's talk about real estate. When you buy a land for 1 million naira or you made a deposit for a land with that 1 million naira in a fast developing area, unlike the stock market, you will wake up tomorrow and see that your land has reduced or dropped to 30% because of investors were nervous yesterday. No, as in infrastructure starts going in that area, like roads, schools, hospitals, commercial activities, people started to move in that particular area, then the value of your land keep increasing. Now, the downside of real estate is that it's not something you can sell instantly. If you not do your due diligence, if you bought that particular property with poor documentation or in the wrong location, you are making a costly mistake. Now, let me recommend one for you. If you are looking for the one for quick gains, then none of it is a good option for you because real estate rewards patience. Even if you buy the stock market, you also need patience. Even if you invest in mutual funds, you also need patience. But if you are looking at something that you want to use it to build wealth for your future, maybe you can leave it up to 5 to 10 years, then I would recommend real estate. Do you know why? Because unlike stock market that depends on investor sentiment or mutual funds that depend on market performance, real estate only depends on you buy the right location. It can never depreciate. It can never drop by 50%, 30%, 20%. It can never drop by market performance. It can never drop by inflation or devaluation of currency. No. What drives value in your land is location. If there's any infrastructure there, hospital, government projects, individual projects, commercial activities, and that's why I will always recommend for you to invest in real estate. And that's why I believe that land is one of the strongest long-term building wealth that you can ever have because it can never drop, it can never depreciate, it will keep increasing. So if you have 1 million naira today, will you invest it in mutual funds, buy land, or buy Nigeria stock? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget that I'm Linda Sogwa, your real estate consultant based in the city of Asaba. And if you are looking forward to acquire your first property in the city of Asaba, then I'm just a minute away. Call me on the number showing on your screen. Let's get started because I'll help you acquire genuine property with verifiable documents in a good location. That's what we can call good investment, not bad investment. So call me right now. Let's get started, and also take you on a free site inspection every Mondays and Thursdays by 12 p.m. And once you make your complete payment, 7 days your document comes out, and guess what? Allocation follows. We do instant allocation on my side. So call me on the number showing your school right now. Let's get started immediately.